I made some my fish on broil for 30 minutes. I set a timer for 30 minutes and I put my seasonings and I put my black cracked pepper on it and with garlic oil, and I set it to cook for the 30 minutes and it rang a bell and there was a splatter control. It's good. I put foil on the bottom of the pan rather than to cook it in the pan, but this is good. My fish is good. It cooked evenly. All around heat. This is a really good thing. You see, I'll pull it out while I burn myself. As you can see, wow, it tastes good. It's wonderful. Thank you so much, Amazon. I appreciate this. I can't wait to do the other mechanisms on it as far as air fry, keep warm, bake, toast, bagel. I look forward to trying them all. But for broil for the first time, and I did my fish and it came out wonderful.